friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another guest with me to make a food for you guys. So I'll welcome Shwetamra. Hi Shwetamra, how are you?
Nancy. I'm very good. Thank you.
So as we know, like we dressed up in a different attire. So what we're gonna cook today and what is our attire?
Okay, I think you must have guessed it. So we are dressed up in a Bengali sari today.
Yay!
And you are right, we're going to cook a very Bengali dish today.
Okay.
And so what comes to your mind when you think about a Bengali?
Bengali is only thing comes in my mind is very delicious food. First of all, very spicy, and yeah, fish.
Fish.
Oh really?
Yes.
Yay! So
That's
we're
the catch.
Okay.
So we are going to cook a fish curry today.
Fish curry.
So as everybody knows that fish is a staple food for Bengali, fish and rice.
Fish and rice. Yeah.
And that's actually true that Bengalis eat fish every day.
Oh yes, I think so. Yeah. Whenever I call my friends, even you always like, yeah, we have a fish in our home and we are eating fish. Yeah, I have few friends in India and they always like fish so much. So I think as a Bengali love fish. So
Yes. So today we are going to cook a Bengali fish curry.
Okay.
But this is not a everyday fish curry.
Okay.
So the fish curry that we are going to cook today is usually cooked in wedding functions.
very okay.
So the dish that we are going to make is called mache kalia.
Machakalia. Okay, the name is very interesting. So I think let's get started and see the recipe.
Let's get started.
Shwetamra, we are going to make fish. So what ingredients we need for the recipe?
So this recipe is very simple.
Okay.
You don't need
Much.
too many
Yeah. Okay.
ingredients for it.
Okay.
So mostly you'll need some onion,
Okay.
so this we'll make paste of this and some.
So we already chopped these onions
Yes.
in small pieces, and we have this onions, long onions. It's a
yes.
sliced already.
Yeah, we're going to fry this one.
Okay, and we have this one.
Yeah,
long
green chilies slit.
Okay.
So we'll need a tomato. We'll need bay leaf.
We need bay leaves.
Yeah.
We need
And-
tomatoes
And here we have cloves, some cardamom, some cinnamon sticks.
Okay. Okay.
We'll use some dry chili,
Dry chilies. Okay.
jeera, some cumin.
Cumin. Okay.
And this is the most important ingredient.
Okay.
What we
Cumin.
put in Bengali dishes. This is
Okay.
the cumin powder.
Okay. So we have a cumin powder also. If you don't have a cumin powder, you have this raw cumin. So you just grind it, very fine grind it, and you have the powder. Okay.
Yeah. Turmeric
And turmeric.
and some garam masala.
Some garam masala. Garam masala is for flavor.
And salt, of course.
Salt. So salt as per your taste. So okay. So
And one ingredient that we have not shown you here is the mustard oil.
oh, mustard oil also.
And
Hi,
yeah,
guys.
yeah, in Bengali, in all the Bengali cuisines, we use the mustard oil.
Okay. So mustard
That-
oil is really a must
Yes.
in all the
Yes.
dishes. Okay. So we have 1 kg of fish. We have already marinated it already. So I'm showing you after marination. It's been 10 minutes already. So I'll show you now. So this is the fish we have already marinated.
So let me tell you about the fish.
Yeah.
So most of the Bengalis used to, all the Bengalis
Right.
eat freshwater fish.
Fresh water fish. Okay.
Yes. And mostly Bengalis eat either katla or rohu.
Katla is a fish.
is a
name.
kind of fish.
Kind of a
yes.
fish.
And this
I'm
is
not a fish person, guys, but I really want to eat a Bengali food, and a fish is very famous. That's why we are preparing today, and just make you also learn what is the easiest way, because she's going to teach us what is the easiest way of cooking this fish.
yes.
So-
So this is the katla fish that we're going to use for the fish curry.
Okay. Okay. So let's
fry them.
move on to the move on to the third step. So first step we showed the ingredients. Second step is the marination we already showed you, and third step is we are going to fry the fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do the frying
Yay.
in the mustard oil.
The mustard oil.
I'm starting with the marination now, so I'll show you the fish. सो हमारी फिश एक्चुअली 1 kg की है, तो हम आज अभी 1 kg का बनाने वाले हैं. आई शो यू द पीसेस. ये वाला जो पीस है इसे गादा कहते हैं बंगाली में. गादा. हाँ, तो हमने बंगाली कट कराई है फिश.
ओके.
और ये वाला पीस ये पेटी है और इसमें काफ़ी कम बोन्स होते हैं, तो बच्चे आराम से खा सकते हैं इसको.
Wow.
Okay, let's start the marination.
You're a Bengali, right?
I'm married to a Bengali.
Married to a Bengali. So you cook Bengali style food in your house also?
Yes, sometimes, because Amit, he loves Bengali food and my daughter also loves to eat fish.
Oh wow, so I'm so excited. Let's see how it comes out.
Yes. So let's start with the marination.
Okay.
I'll put some salt and turmeric and I'll leave it for like 10-15 minutes. So it doesn't need much of marination time.
So how much you're putting the, salt in it?
This is according to the taste. So this is only for frying the fish.
Okay.
So yeah, it has to be coated well.
Okay.
So I'll put some turmeric also. So that's the turmeric.
And we're using our hands more.
Yes. You have to do that when you're cooking fish.
Wow.
Yeah, it has to be coated well. So
Okay.
we'll just keep it for like 10 minutes and then
Okay.
we are going to fry it. And I'll show you how we fry it.
Okay. Okay, so it's done now?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me.
So we have this deep pan and now we're gonna pour mustard oil in this. Okay.
Yeah,
So we need actually too much oil, right?
we need quite some.
Yeah.
Oil.
So, but it's
This is for
it's
frying.
it's like a shallow frying we are going
It
to do.
is going to be shallow frying.
Shallow
But
frying.
Yeah, as
Okay.
you said already that we have 1 kilo of fish. So I think this much oil we'll need.
Oh my god! Can you show me fish again? Oh my god! Yeah, it looks nice after 20-15 minutes, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now we are waiting for just make it hot, and then after we're gonna shallow fry the fish. So the oil is, see, it's very hot, and here
This
now,
is my favorite fish. Favorite piece.
yeah, that is for our
This is
babies.
called peti.
Patty.
Yeah, it has very less bones.
Okay.
Even the kids can eat it. Very
What? Even the kids can eat it?
Yes.
Okay. खूब भालो हाँ खूब भालो.
Yeah, खूब भालो.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, there is space. I'll put some more in it.
Wow. So the bottom is with the skin or is without the skin?
In the patty, yes, it's with the skin.
And the
But
skin portion would be at the below.
Yes, but in the freshwater pieces,
Yeah.
freshwater fish, the skin is very, very thin.
Very, very
So
thin.
you can actually eat it easily.
Okay. So I think it will take, how much time it will take to cook?
I think around 5 minutes.
5 minutes only. Okay.
Yeah, we'll cook on medium heat.
Medium heat.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, I think there is some space still.
Right.
So I'll put little more pieces.
Okay.
Yeah, this much should be enough. We'll do the frying in the next batch for the rest of the fishes.
Okay. So 10 minutes? 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, 5
So-
to 10 minutes it should be done.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, the pieces are cooked on one side. Let's flip them.
Okay.
And let's cook on the other side.
Okay. So we're gonna flip all the pieces and we're gonna cook.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. It looks so nice. Okay. This looks so nice. Now we're gonna take them out one by one because I think it is done. Sorry. See? In a separate plate. Wow! the fish is ready. Wow, it looks nice. Chitamra, it's really nice. Wow. Gonna start making our gravy, fish curry. So the first step is
We're going to fry the onions first,
onions first.
and we'll fry these and take them out, and then we are going to follow the next steps. Let's start
Okay.
with this. We're using the same oil that we used to fry the fishes.
So we are using the same oil.
Yes.
Because the fish is already fried,
Yes.
and now this is after fish. This is the same oil we are using.
Yeah, we're using the same oil, same pan.
It's done already, huh?
Yeah.
तो अभी हम इसको सारा
इसे हम
निकाल लेंगे थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि ये मस्टर्ड ऑयल है इसीलिए इस तरीके से हो रहा है ये।
हाँ, ये
हाँ, ये बबल्स हो जाते हैं वही मस्टर्ड ऑयल में।
यूजुअली नहीं होते हैं ये, एक्चुअली क्योंकि फिश वाला ऑयल है ना, इसलिए ऐसे दिख रहा है।
Yeah. So now we are gonna start our preparation of curry. So
We are going to put some cumin,
this is the cumin we put.
Yes.
This is half teaspoon.
and in this we're going to put 2 dry chilies,
Okay.
and I'm putting about small 3 sticks of cinnamon.
Cinnamon
four-
sticks.
4 cardamom.
Okay, 4 cardamoms.
4
And
cloves,
few of cloves. Black cloves, okay.
and I'll put some bay leaf also.
Bay leaves. Okay. So this is all actually gives a nice flavor and fragrance also.
Yes.
Yeah. It's done. Cumin
Yes.
is already seasoned. And now we're gonna
I'm going to put some ginger first. So in Bengali cuisine, we use very less garlic.
So in Bengali cuisine, what?
We use very less garlic. So it's
Okay.
mostly the gravy and everything are mostly of the ginger. अभी हमने ग्रेट करके जिंजर डाल दिया है, और अब हम डालेंगे इसमें अनियन पेस्ट.
Onion paste.
Yes.
Okay.
So ये about 2 मीडियम अनियन का पेस्ट है.
Okay.
आई थिंक इतना हो जाना चाहिए.
Okay. So हमने इसको जो हमने starting में we showed the chop onions. So we already grind it.
Yes.
And we make a paste out of it.
Yes.
Okay.
That mix everything. So in most of the Bengali cuisines,
Yeah.
the Bengalis don't use onions a lot, onion and garlic.
Okay.
So the
Onion and garlic? Okay.
Yeah, they use very less.
Okay.
So yeah, again for the viewers, I'm not a Bengali, but I'm married to a Bengali.
Yeah.
So what I was saying, that Bengalis don't use much of onions
Okay.
in their cooking.
Okay.
In the regular fish curry that Bengalis eat every day, they don't put onion in
onions.
it.
Okay, so
but
but
they
we
put
are-
some vegetables.
Vegetables.
And potatoes is the must.
Potatoes is a
Yeah,
must.
Bengalis love potatoes.
Okay.
In everything, even in the chicken curry, mutton curry, fish curry, everywhere.
Okay.
But in today's fish, I'm not
Yeah.
going to put any.
Any tomatoes?
Potatoes.
Okay. Oh, potatoes.
Yes. तो यहाँ पे प्याज थोड़ा सा भुन गया है. Let's start putting
it's
the
very
spices now.
good now. It's cooked properly.
So
Now,
I'm
yeah.
going to put
The spices.
Yes.
So turmeric 1 teaspoon and
Cumin, it's like
cumin
1
powder
tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
I'll put some salt.
Salt. Okay.
This is only for the gravy because we already have
Had
the
the
fish.
fish has a salt
Marinade,
already.
yeah.
So so this is 1 teaspoon we put the salt, and if you think the salt is less, you can put more in any moment of time.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. We can
So now
taste
we're
it. I think we need to put little more oil.
Okay. So we
So
are
this
just
is the oil we set aside from the fish after frying the fish.
okay. So 1 tablespoon we are taking the oil. This is a mustard oil we are taking.
Yeah.
Okay. And now we're gonna we're gonna cook our this onions and with masalas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in Bengali we say koshano.
Koshano.
Koshano actually means bhunna.
Okay.
So it's frying.
So we are
So
doing
we are
we are kushano. We are doing
Yeah,
kushano.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for teaching this word also. You're learning good, huh? Okay. Nice. So now the masalas are all cooked and onions are already cooked. So it's a time to put
the
tomatoes. Okay. Yummy, yummy food. Okay, so we're gonna cook this again. And while cooking, a little bit put some water in it.
Put some water in
It will help in cooking
the
quickly.
tomatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let it cook. So I'm going to put some Kashmiri lal mirch.
Okay.
Let's mix it for the color. Ghee.
Wow.
Yeah, this gives a very nice flavor to the dish. So it's
Okay.
just one.
1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon is fine. Put the
The
fish.
masalas look
Nice,
nicely
yeah.
cooked and done. I'm going to add some water in this.
Okay. So this is the water time. Okay. So how much water we are
So
putting
it's
in
about
this?
1 cup,
Okay. Yeah.
so that all the fish pieces are soaked. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of yogurt in it, curd basically, so it's
Okay.
well beaten. So I should have added it before the water.
Yeah.
Before adding the water, but it's okay.
Okay. So before adding the water, we actually had to put the curd in it.
Yes.
But it's okay. I mean, this
yeah.
stage is also fine. So just
Yes.
mix it and we're gonna boil it for few more minutes. Oh, it's looking nice. So now this is the time we're gonna add fish. Wow.
So we've put all the fishes in it.
Right.
And now we're going to add the onions that we cooked
Yes.
there.
Okay. And spread it like that. Yeah.
Yes.
And
And let's add some chili.
yeah, more flavor.
Yes. I think that should be enough.
Garam masala also. And then we're gonna cover this or a little bit mix. Okay. And cover this and we're gonna cook it for
5 minutes.
5
We're going to
minutes.
check after 5 minutes.
Okay.
Should be done. Otherwise, we'll cook for another
2-3 minutes. Okay. Wow, it is looking so nice.
Yeah, so our fish is ready now, and we are plating it with the rice. Let me garnish a bit with some coriander.
Oh wow. Wow, Chidamra. See, the fish curry is ready. So look at that. It looks so nice. Fish is completely cooked. Well done, Chidamra. Well done.
Thank you so much, Nancy. Thanks for having me on your channel.
Yeah. So guys, I just want to tell you first of all, before telling you everything about the food, that Chidamra has her own channel. She is a travel blogger, and definitely you should guys go and visit her channel. The channel name is
Smile Round the Globe.
Smile Round the Globe. I'll give you in my description. There is a link in my description. Please go and watch her videos also, because she is good. Her travel videos are really nice. And okay, now move on to our food. So we are garnishing this with.
Wow. Yeah, we're going to garnish it with the coriander.
Okay.
Yeah, I love that smell.
I know coriander always give a nice fragrance. It's good in taste.
Yeah.
And we also
Go ahead, taste, and tell me how it is.
Okay, so tasting time. Okay, I can eat with the spoon, right?
Yeah.
Like this. Okay.
Oh, you want me to give a piece to you?
Yeah. I'm not a fish person, so
It's okay.
okay, thank you. And oh my god, it's really yummy. I think you should also try it.
See?
The fish actually absorbed like a gravy completely. It's really nice. Not bad. See guys, she's a good cook and everybody knows that. And now she cooked for us fish curry, and I'm very thankful to her. Thank you so much, Chidamra, to come here and cook for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, see you next time. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and please press the bell icon button. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
टेस्ट करूँ मैं